Have you ever worried about that you're creating a bad influence when going out because your lovely car is not presentable and properly maintained? Do you complain about your car not being cleaned completely? Lucky Snow multi-purpose domestic car cleaner can get rid of all your worries. Now, you don't need to worry about it any longer. There is a portable car cleaner and it can be used anytime and anywhere. There is a new innovative car cleaner for the low carbon. There is an environment protection, high efficiency, and energy saving. It is great to hear you can get such a wonderful machine in the marketplace, and it allows me to protect my lovely car properly. There is no need to take a special time and area. You only need to use 1 liter of water, then you can clean and make your lovely car nice and shiny. No matter if it is on a weekend or in your lunch break, no matter if it is in your garage or in your garden. Do it yourself, and it only takes 20 minutes to make your lovely car clean as new. There is no need to use any detergent, no fear of all your stain, soap and dirty, and bird droppings. Only need gentle brushing, then everything will disappear on the spot. Let's just do a simple demonstration. Look, this is a car that needs to be cleaned, and the surface is very dirty and covered by dust and mud. This is a Lucky Snow multi-purpose domestic car cleaner. Put the plug into the power socket first. The water level red indicator will be on. Fill with water until water level green indicator is on and stop filling. Look, it only filled in 1 liter of water. Turn the switch on. Connect the joints and start to work. Be careful while washing and don't hold the brush head towards the people or pets. Now, let's get started with cleaning the roof. Cleaning the side window. The driving mirror. The doors and the bottom of the car. Then go to the windscreen. Clean the bonnet. Front bumper bar. The rear window. The lid of boot. Then the rear bumper bar. Finally, the wheels and tires. Attention! Dry the water by using the chamois while you're cleaning. Look, the car is nice and shiny after cleaning and there is no dust remaining. A little test shows you the big picture. The ground is still dry after cleaning. There isn't any polluted dirt on the ground and it is absolutely environment protected. Again, we use the Lucky Snow domestic car cleaner to clean the engine under the bonnet. clean the air conditioning vents and the car interior. No matter if the dust and mud have appeared inside or outside the car, or even on the dead corner or together oil stain accidentally, Lucky Snow multi-purpose domestic car cleaner only needs to use 1 liter of water, and it doesn't require any detergent. Do it yourself and the car will be washed extremely clean. You can also use it for all other domestic cleaner purpose and clean most domestic appliances as long as you change to the different accessories. It can clean the blinds and air conditioner vents. It can be used to clean timber floors, floor tiles, and all kinds of stains on carpet. It can clean the kitchen, bathroom, and wall tiles. It can clean all kinds of kitchen appliances and sterilize them. It can also clean bicycles and toys. No matter what kind of fiddly area, Lucky Snow multi-purpose domestic car cleaner can literally clean up everything completely. The unique multi-purpose domestic car cleaner can achieve your goal of low carbon, energy saving, environment protection, convenience, and high efficiency. It is a brand new innovative product which has also been approved a patent from 11 countries so far. It is only Lucky Snow, the domestic cleaning master.